Another day, another English lesson, gerund or infinitive after to. Hello, everyone. Have you ever seen a sentence like, I'm looking forward to seeing you, and wondered why it says seeing instead of to see? You're not alone. This is one of the most common confusions for English learners, and it all comes down to the little word to. Usually we see to before a verb in the infinitive form. For example, I want to go. She decided to study. They need to leave soon. In these examples, to is part of the infinitive to plus verb. It connects directly to the verb and tells us what action follows. But sometimes to is not part of an infinitive. Instead, it's a preposition, just like in, on, about, or for. When to is a preposition, it must be followed by a gerund, the ing form of a verb. Here are some common examples. I'm used to getting up early. She's looking forward to meeting her new boss. He objected to working overtime. We're committed to improving our English. In each of these sentences, to is a preposition that belongs to the phrase used to, look forward to, object to, committed to. That's why it's followed by a gerund, not an infinitive. So, how can you tell when to is a preposition and not part of an infinitive? 1. If the to follows a fixed expression, like be used to or look forward to, it's a preposition. Use a gerund after it. 2. If the to comes directly after a verb that shows purpose, desire, or intention, like want, need, plan, or hope, it's an infinitive marker. Use the base verb. Pro tip: don't confuse this with be used to, a preposition, and used to, for past habits. I am used to waking up early. Preposition plus gerund is different from I used to wake up early, past habit plus infinitive. Once you start noticing the patterns, it becomes much easier. Now watch and complete the sentences with the gerund or base form of the verb in parentheses. One, she's used to waking up early every day. 2. They plan to start a new business soon. 3. He forgot to lock the door before leaving. 4. We're dedicated to helping our community. 5. I want to learn how to play the guitar. 6. He objected to working on Sundays. 7. They're committed to reducing plastic waste. 8. She decided to move to another city. 9. I'm looking forward to meeting my friends this weekend. 10. We hope to see you again next week. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning activity.